In a world increasingly influenced by rapid technological advancements, a quiet revolution is taking place, not in the corporate boardrooms, nor in the secretive labs of tech giants, but right in the comfort of people's homes. This is the rise of the DIY, or do-it-yourself movement, where individuals, armed with creativity and the readiness to innovate, are reshaping the very landscape of invention. The DIY movement, once associated with simple home improvement projects, has evolved remarkably over the past few decades. Today, fueled by the accessibility of information through the internet and affordable technology, enthusiasts and hobbyists are stepping into the realm of serious invention. Websites and platforms such as YouTube, Instructables, and Reddit provide a wealth of tutorials and community advice, empowering anyone with determination to bring their ideas to life. Central to this revolution is the maker movement, a subculture that celebrates creativity, craftsmanship, and tinkering. Makers, as they call themselves, are part of a global community that thrives on collaboration and shared knowledge. They are people who build, modify, or invent things, often using open-source designs and sharing their work with others. The democratization of knowledge and technology has given rise to a new breed of inventors who are not bound by traditional educational or professional pathways. One of the most significant enablers of the DIY ethos is the proliferation of affordable technology and tools. 3D printers, once exclusive to industrial settings, have become staples in many maker spaces and households. This technology allows individuals to design and create prototypes at a fraction of the cost and time traditionally required. Similarly, microcontrollers like Arduino and Raspberry Pi have made electronics prototyping accessible to millions, enabling a surge in grassroots innovation. Moreover, the rise of crowdfunding platforms such as Kickstarter and Indiegogo has transformed how projects are conceptualized and funded. These platforms provide financial support and exposure, allowing DIY inventors to take their creations to market without relying on traditional venture capitalists. This shift has not only empowered individuals, but also diversified the types of products that reach consumers, products fueled by passion and direct user engagement, rather than the constraints of large-scale market demands. As this movement grows, its impact on the traditional invention ecosystem is becoming more pronounced. The distinction between amateur and professional is fading as companies recognize the potential within the maker community. Many industries now look towards these innovators for fresh ideas and solutions, often inviting them to collaborate or licensing their inventions. This interaction is reshaping how new products are conceived, developed, and distributed, emphasizing a more inclusive and dynamic approach. In conclusion, the rise of the DIY movement and the maker culture is more than a trend. It is a fundamental shift in how we approach creativity and problem-solving. It is a reminder that ingenuity and innovation do not reside solely in the domain of large corporations or academic institutions, but in the minds of curious individuals around the world. As we continue to foster this spirit of invention, the possibilities for future advancements are boundless, a testament to the power of the DIY ethos to reshape our technological future.